Welcome to my Crazy Girl Grow. This is day 4 of week 2. Peace.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Orr here in Surprise, Arizona. Outside of there, between that and the White Tank Mountains, beautiful day out. Got up early this morning, watched and tried to take some pictures. Did take pictures of the eclipse this morning. Interesting. Yep. One of my hobbies, and I used to teach that stuff. Anyways, that was then, and this is now. Check this out. Nothing yet. Dream Riders. 1, 2, 3 Fat Buds. I'm going to do this a little quick. Hey, check this out. We got a fruit cocktail coming up. By God. Check that out. Got some American Gangster. Nice, clean bong filled with some ice. Ready to go. Got my devil's lettuce socks on. You know you're an old man when you're wearing fucking sandals with your socks. My wife gets all over me with that shit. Anyhow, nonetheless, hey, look at these girls growing. Day 4, week 2. I go by when they first got their second leaves and not their secondary leaves. I think there is a difference. Well, whenever I saw that second seeds come out, anyhow, they're all Fat Buds 1, 2, 3 at 1, 2, 3 Fat Buds. Rick over in Virginia, his seeds looking good. I've got a Crazy Girl I brought in. A couple of them. I'll chop that little yellow one out from outside. They're in 1-gallon pots. And I have some a Crazy Black Girl and a Crazy Girl. Probably the Crazy Black Girl is the bigger of the two. And in here I have coming up a Dream Rider. And that's about it right there. I'm running Mars Hydro TSW 2,300 watts. And don't forget that right there. God damn. Someday, maybe in my lifetime, probably not. Might get a cure for all that shit. Just remember, science, real science, not the bullshit that's floating around now. Anyhow, that's neither here nor there. Hey, look at what I've got here. Nice, clean, filled with some American Gangster. Now, I'm going to just pause right here for a second and let me elevate myself here. Yipper, Red Rider. Good stuff. See, I didn't get it all. God damn, hold on. See if it's still lit. Yeah, a little bit there. Okie dokie, artichokes. I'm out of here. Again, that's in the house. That shit is it's fucked up. All right. Anyways, and then you got other fucking problems that go on top of that shit. But we all have our thing, huh? All I know is that my wife is a hell of a fighter and strong as hell. Anyhow, hey, let's have a good one today, guys. Orr Grows here. We're out of here before I run out of whatever it is I'm running out of. Later. Grow on!